Today is also the first day of the Lunar New Year, and to help us celebrate the Year of the Tiger is beverage expert and hospitality entrepreneur Evelyn Chick and executive chef Eva Chin. Good morning, you two.
Good morning, Bob.
So Year of the Tiger, what does that represent?
I think the Year of the Tiger represents courage and strength, and we're so excited to be here today to show you some fantastic dishes and drinks to celebrate Lunar New Year. It's a full week and a half of celebration.
Yeah, it's a big deal too because this is recognized and celebrated by so many cultures.
Absolutely. And, changing from Chinese New Year to Lunar New Year, it's just more inclusive for everyone who wants to celebrate this. And to me, I think it's all about togetherness.
Absolutely.
Well, that's quite a spread in front of you. And everything on the table represents something, right?
Yes.
Yeah. I think we're going to start with some dishes with Eva.
Okay.
So, why don't you start off with some significance of what we've made today?
So here we have fried shrimp toast. It represents laughter and liveliness of the new year. We also have rice cake, which is made with wild rice and maple syrup to represent the ingredients from Canada, but nian gao is actually something that you have to eat every year.
Yeah, I definitely remember that from my childhood as well. I think it's going to pair fantastically with something that is also in an abundance of flavor, something like a BKA ice wine that's really, really great and huge in our culture too. I think sweet and sweet really goes well together.
Okay, the Lunar Year is a good year for Niagara ice wine as well, so I'll throw in a plug for that. Yeah, and dumplings are always a big deal.
Absolutely. Dumplings. Making dumplings itself is a very, very important family togetherness of a pastime. Eating it is important. Here we have dumplings stuffed with pork and kale. We also have steamed fish, which also represents an abundance and prosperity, something left of every year. That's what the steamed fish means.
And I love that dumplings just remind me of myself and my grandma, or whoever else is in the family, aunties and uncles coming together, just wrapping it for hours on end during Lunar New Year. And just
it's a nostalgia thing, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely.
It's a party.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, and rice cakes are always required.
Yes. So this is the nian gao, and it's sticky, sweet. You pan-sear it, or you just eat it room temperature.
And I love that pastries just kind of go along with sort of every step of having a Lunar New Year meal. And with that, I think if you're looking to imbibe, something like a barrel-aged beer actually goes really well with it. If you think about pairing yeast with yeast, it kind of helps balance out the flavors, add some textures to your meal. So there's lots of things that we can do for Lunar New Year if you want to celebrate.
Okay, I'm looking at your menu here. I'd totally be going for the fried shrimp toast.
Yes.
Oh, same. That's the first thing we're going to reach for.
Yeah, so, hold that up for where is that?
This is the shrimp.
There we go. Yeah.
Sour sauce.
That looks super yums.
Yeah, and with the sweet and sour sauce, I've actually made a little cocktail for those of you who are watching to kind of celebrate the Year of the Tiger called the King Tea Fizz. And there's a huge kind of, going towards something that's a little bit more savory and sour for the middle course of your meal. So the King Tea Fizz is with BQ sparkling wine, a little bit of Vidal ice wine, a little bit of ginger and pineapple, just to pull out those really nice flavors that Eva made with the sweet and sour sauce here.
Okay. If you were born in Year of the Tiger, what does it mean?
I don't know. We're neither of us are born in the Year of Tiger. I'm a Year of the Dragon.
Represents, you're a brave person, full of courage, kind-hearted, definitely a born leader at heart.
Yeah, apparently this is supposed to be a little bit of a difficult year for the Year of the Tiger, but because Tiger is the king of the beast, so I think everyone who is born the Year of the Tiger is going to weather through the storm and probably have a pretty good 2022, and hopefully they do.
Yeah. Well, what year are we coming out of?
Year of Ox.
Of the ox?
Yes.
Okay. We're so done with the Year of the ox.
Me too.
Yeah. The Year of the Tiger is going to be so much better. Hey, thanks for joining us, you two. We're going to link up your socials for more great ideas so we can celebrate the Lunar New Year.
Absolutely. Go Hey Fat Choy and cheers.
Go Hey Fat Choy.